You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive and comes with a 1-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.